In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your microphone that's been muted by system settings in Google Meet. There's nothing more frustrating than hopping on a call only to find your microphone isn't working. Luckily, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to get your mic up and running smoothly. Firstly, we're going to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Google Meet, or simply searching for it in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you're all set to begin. Next, we'll click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately open up a virtual meeting room. Don't worry if you're not joining with anyone else. This is just a quick setup to check and adjust your audio settings. Now, in the meeting interface, take a moment to look around. We'll want to focus on the bottom right corner, where you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, or a cog, which is the settings option. Clicking on this will bring up a small menu. From here, you'll select Audio Settings. This is going to open a new panel where we'll dive into your microphone settings. Once inside the audio settings, direct your attention to the microphone section. If your mic is muted by system settings, you might notice the microphone option has a warning or a muted status. Click on Microphone to reveal a list of available devices. If you've got more than one microphone connected to your computer, make sure the correct one is selected. This is often a simple yet overlooked step when resolving audio issues. After ensuring the right device is chosen, speak or make some noise to see if the levels are responding. You should see an indicator like a green bar that reacts to sound, verifying that your microphone is indeed working. In some cases, it may be necessary to double check your computer's system settings as well. This might typically involve going into your system preferences or control panel, depending on your operating system, to make sure that the microphone is allowed access. By the end of these steps, your microphone should be set up properly and ready for your next meeting. If you still encounter problems, consider restarting your device or contacting technical support for further assistance. With the microphone back on track, you're all set to fully engage in your meetings without any disruption. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.